and welcome back to my channel. My name's April. So you saw the headline correctly. I threw away all of my makeup. I threw away my skincare regimen. Yeah, but don't fret because I did pick something else up. So the main reasons why I did that was actually because my sister and I were talking and she's like, oh my gosh, have you seen this new show on HBO? It's like about the things that are in your makeup. And I was like, no, but I already know that the things that I had were bad. I'm sure there's tons of chemicals and things that I'm putting on my face. And, you know, that might not be a big deal for most people, but I kind of freak out over things because, as you may know, I do have a history of breast cancer. Back in 2019, I was diagnosed. I had chemo, radiation, and double mastectomy. So I freak out over things because you hear stuff on the news and I don't know if it's all true or not, but I figured, you know, it's definitely not going to hurt to put some more healthful things on my skin. So that's what I did. Yeah. And also I've noticed, like, when I had my chemo, it completely wrecked my skin. I mean, I'll show you. I don't care. I have nothing on because I threw away all my makeup. But yeah, I have like just dark wrinkles. It's just not good. So I wanted to, you know, get something that was a little better for my skin. So I looked online and I saw Juice Beauty. So here it is. I figured, you know, I'll just start off small and kind of, you know, see how I like it. And there are a lot of other companies out there too, but this is the one that I chose. I was looking for something, you know, quickly because I literally threw everything away. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and read you a little bit about the company. So it is based out of Sonoma County, California, and they say that they have antioxidant rich, certified organic ingredients brought to you farm to beauty. And their mission-driven values are sustainable practices, vegan, cruelty-free, organic ingredients, and to promote wellness. So I took the quiz. They have one online, and for me, it said that I should use or try the Green Apple Brightening Skincare. So it says it visibly corrects uneven skin and dark spots and discoloration with the exfoliating power of malic acid from green apples, peptides, alpha lipoic acid, coenzyme Q10, and vitamin C. And it says that their products are free of parabens, petroleum, propylene or butylene glycol, silicones, talc, carbon black, phthalates, sulfates, PEG, TEA, DEA, GMO, artificial dyes, and synthetic fragrances. And they're never tested on animals. So that's a lot of stuff that I don't even know what that is. So I purchased several things, the skincare and then some actual makeup. And I paid $192 with tax and shipping, and I used their 10% welcome code that they had online. And I ordered this on Wednesday and it came today on Friday. So super duper fast shipping. That was awesome. So I'm gonna just jump right in and see, you know, see what it all looks like. And I'll show you how it's packaged as well. Oh, it's really cute packaging. So it looks like that, and I'll just start opening things up. So first we have the Juice Beauty Organic Solution Hydrating Mist. Now this was actually, they gave this to me for free. I think if you spend over a certain amount of money, they gave this to you. So I guess it's like a facial mist. So that's, it's never a video unless you drop something. I'm just saying. So yeah. That's exciting because I had the MAC misting spray and I did love that. I went ahead and got the Brightening Solutions, the Apple one, and they had a like a gift set, so I picked that up. It's right here, and I paid $42 for this one. It has, let's just open it up. I'm just gonna open it up. They had a bigger set, but you know, I wanted to test this out just to make sure that I liked it and that my skin did okay with it, because you never know. Okay, so came in little tubes like this. So the first thing is the Green Apple Brightening Gel Cleanser. Good, so I can wash my face now. Green Apple Brightening Emulsion Lightweight Moisturizer. They had another line too. It's like the stem cell one that I was also interested. I might try that next if I, you know, don't get the results that I want from this. Green Apple Peel Full Strength Exfoliating Mask. Super tiny little Green Apple Age Defying Serum. And Green Apple Age Defying Moisturizer. So cool, yeah. I'm excited to try that. I will try that out tonight. And then, let's see, I got, oh, the Stem Cellular CC Cream. I got that for my, like, foundation. I know it's very lightweight, but I typically use very lightweight stuff anyways. And it has really cute packaging. What color did I get? I think I got Beach Glow. I wasn't sure. Let's just try it out. Nice little top. Whoa. Oh, I'll bet you I'm supposed to shake it up because I didn't notice any pigment in that. Maybe it's not supposed to have color. I don't know. I'm not seeing anything. Because look, right there, it's just like clear. I don't know. It smells good. Okay, I don't know. We're gonna have to test that out. I don't know. Maybe I didn't shake it enough. We'll see. It does have mineral zinc for SPF, so that's good because I don't want skin cancer. I've had enough cancer. Thank you very much. Okay, I also got a Phyto-Pigments Cream Shadow Stick, and this is in the color Mist. Let's see if I can open this up. There's that. So do a little swatch. And it's very light. I don't know if you can see it right there, but that's what I was going for because I kind of want to use this as like a highlighter around, you know, my upper lids. And then I got another one in the color Horizon. So I'm either going to be like, oh, I love, you know, I'm so glad I did this, or I'm gonna be like, oh my God, I got rid of all my makeup. I think it's going to be fine. That color. Let's see right there. That's really pretty. I like that. I have blue-green eyes, so I think that will go really nicely with my eye color. Okay, then I picked up a Luminous lip crayon. I've actually got two. This one is, let me see, I'll have to probably open the package to see this color. If I can read it. Oh, in Malibu. So it was kind of like the pinky color that they had. That's what it looks like. Right there. You can see it. Well, shoot. Let's do it this way. There you go. Oh my gosh. I have not done this before, people, so bear with me. Shoot, let's do it right here. Oh, well, I don't care. I'm having fun. So yeah, that looks like a pretty pink color. And next, I have another one in the color, I'm trying to remember, I think I got like a nudie color. This one is in caramel. Ooh, I actually love that one right there. That looks really pretty. Then I picked up a cream blush, which I read is good for people in their late 40s, which is me. And this was Peony. I didn't know what shade I should get. There There weren't like a ton of colors, but I figured this one would, oh my God, can I open it? Can I open it? I figured this would be like a decent one to try. So that's actually really, really pretty. Ooh. Oh my God. I don't know what I'm doing. Here, let's do that. Can you see it? It's right there. So yeah, I think that'll look nice. Right there. Okay. Oh yeah. And then I got some just SPF 8 lip moisturizers. They're so tiny, but that's all right. I think 2 of them have like a tiny little tint to them. So there's 1, 2, and 3. Look, I look so colorful. And I think that's it. There are 2 little freebie samples. This is the Blemish Clearing Serum. And this is the Age Defy Moisturizer in Green Apple, which I think I actually have. Okay, so that's my little Juice Beauty haul. I'll let you guys know what I think of the products. The CC cream I'm a little stumped about because it was clear. And it's supposed to be slightly pigmented. So I don't know, maybe it just, I didn't shake it up enough. I don't know. Well, anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you guys have like a really good makeup line that you're using that is organic, that, you know, is more natural, let me know in the comments below. I'm really open to trying other things as well. There seems like there's a lot out there, and sometimes it's hard to know, you know, which ones are good and which ones, you know, maybe are a little bit better. So thank you so much, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.